G'day members, welcome to this week's Monday Motivation video coming to you from, I'm finally freaking home in Panama. Now, I flew back into Panama Saturday a week ago, so 10 days ago, and finally got home on Thursday. And quite frankly, I'm tired. Now, for those of you who know me well, or know of my lifestyle in some capacity, I've been living the international lifestyle since 2006 and pretty much constantly just jumping on a plane and going wherever I want to. And, sometimes I've left countries and like, all right, I'm leaving tomorrow, or I'm leaving 2 days time, and I just pack up and I go. Now, you might be wondering what this has got to do with Monday Motivation. Well, just hang tight, enjoy the ride, and you'll find out soon enough. Now, up until the fucking Rona bullshit hit, travel was a breeze, generally hassle-free. And, since Rona did hit, in effect, 18, 20 months ago, and I've been around the globe 3 times in that time, which for many people would love to be able to enjoy that same experience, but it's not all roses. And, especially the 11 weeks that I was away, I started the journey about the 20th of June and went to America, got the vaccine, waited the 14 days, flew to Amsterdam, got detained in immigration because the left hand didn't know what the right hand was doing in regards to my Australian passport, being in the US 3 weeks and fully vaccinated, 20 minutes of stress. And, what's really been a highlight for me, especially this last trip where, entering Amsterdam, exiting Italy, entering Cyprus, exiting Cyprus, back to Italy, to Amsterdam, exiting into Panama, is that it's not as enjoyable as it once was. Whereas I would love getting on a plane, and don't get me wrong, I still do, but the polish of travel, isn't what it was, which can relate back to your business. Are you doing tasks or in a role in your business that you no longer find enjoyable or as enjoyable as it once was?